Okay, now we're going to cut some fascia to cover this track. What you want to do is butt your tape up to the jamb that goes all the way down to the door, and you want to make sure you have enough clearance when your fascia is installed that the door doesn't rub on that fascia. So you'll take that and then probably cut it at 2 1/4. Magically, we got our piece 2 1/4. We are gonna shut both doors. There we go. Butt your fascia all the way back to the track. Tack it in. Yeah. Okay. So now what you want to do is take a measurement from the ground all the way up to the top bottom part of that fascia. And now you've got 79 1/8. We're going to cut our legs to that, or our side fascia, which we're going to use a cove mold for. 79 1/8. So to keep the trim consistent, we're going to nail off the bottom too to make sure we have an even gap all the way through. Make sure your door don't hit the trim. Looks like it's closing properly. We do the same on the other side. Now we got our trim on. We're gonna go in and caulk in the seams to make it look finished.